Hello, my name is Ian Beebe. This talk is entitled Safeguarding the Personal Data of Minors Online and is intended to illustrate some of the statutory provisions governing the protection of children in the EU and in the UK, particularly with reference to their online data. As you are no doubt aware, the UK has left the European Union, but many elements of EU law have been retained, at least for the time being. The GDPR, for example, still applies in the form of the UK GDPR, which is more or less identical, save for the non-application of EU Charter rights, and that can be quite important, and the removal of the jurisdiction of the European Court of Justice. In today's talk, I will look at relevant aspects of the following legislation: the General Data Protection Regulation, the European Data Services Act, and the UK Online Safety Act 2023. I will wrap up this part of the talk with a discussion covering the above three enactments. I will also look at codes of practice which have been proposed and in more limited numbers, which is a very small number, implemented, covering the protection of minors' data online. I will then move on to look at some regulatory decisions of interest covering children's data and some, but in this case a very limited number, court decisions which are relevant